UVA pediatric pulmonologist found that wheezing in children is linked to a silent lung infection. Silent viruses do not show clear symptoms. Rhinovirus is the cause of a common cold. Gerald Teague says it would not cause wheezing in a healthy person. Wheezing from rhinovirus is often confused with asthma, which leads to wrong prescriptions.
With a runny nose, sniffles, cough, sometimes wheeze, you know, low-grade fever, go ahead and consider an antiviral approach and not give necessarily the steroids.
And he says they have tested different antiviral medications which work well, but are still doing control studies.